Stop scrolling. This product card used to cost $500 and 2 weeks of work. Today, it's free and takes 5 minutes. In 2025, you needed a photographer, a studio, and a retouching team. That's $500 gone before you even sell one item. But in 2026, the AI product designer creates high-end visuals from a couch. It's faster, cheaper, and more effective. Sellers are desperate for this. Today, we reveal the blueprint to mastering this niche. Let's get started. Forget years of art school. In 2026, your talent is defined by the tools you master. There are 3 essentials in your arsenal. First, Nano Banana Pro. This is your lighting, your camera, and your set. It creates hyper-realistic environments that make products pop instantly. Second, Canva or Napkin AI. This is where you add structure. Professional typography and infographics are what convert a viewer into a buyer. And third, AI Upscalers. Quality is non-negotiable. You must transform raw generations into crisp, professional assets ready for any global marketplace. Let's talk numbers. A single product card set usually sells for $20 to $50. A professional can pump out 5 to 10 sets in a single day. That adds up fast. A beginner can easily hit $1,500 a month. For a pro with a solid portfolio, $4,000 to $6,000 is the market standard. But the real scale is in starting an AI agency. In 2026, managing high-volume clients can push your revenue past $10,000 every single month. Your only costs? Tiny AI subscriptions. This is why the ROI of an AI product designer is higher than almost any other side hustle today. But here's the catch. The barrier to entry is low, which means the market is getting crowded. If you only do what everyone else does, you will be replaced by a basic bot. AI evolves daily. What works today in Midjourney might be automated tomorrow. Your only insurance policy is continuous learning and adapting to new tools faster than the rest. It's not just about pretty pictures. You must understand sales psychology. If your design doesn't solve the seller's problem and increase their clicks, you won't get paid. The dark side is the grind. It's hard work and constant testing. But for those who adapt, the rewards are unmatched. The verdict is simple. AI product design is not just a trend. It's the new gold standard for the 2026 digital economy. It's fast, high profit, and ready for you to start today. Which niche should we research next? Vote in the comments, AI prompt engineer or digital architect. Your choice will be our next deep dive. Don't forget to subscribe for your weekly business research. Build your future with us. See you in the next one.